Okay, we're all done. Yes, we do small projects. It is the best time right now. Well, you gotta hurry up because the demand is growing right now to get your front yard resodded. You need to actually not delay. This is the beginning of the season, so you want to make sure you are quick and get on the schedule early before the real rush kicks in. What we're doing now is installing the all-natural fertilizer, Sunnyland, and we have the fresh Provista. This is fresh from the farm there in Hastings, Florida, and this is the sod that has done the best ever since it's been out the last few years. It has been killing it. Whether we install it in areas where there's direct sunlight, full sun like we have here in the front yard. This is an area where there's no trees and there's not a lot of shade, but the Provista also does excellent between houses and in those backyards where it's shady. So this is why I pretty much switched to installing exclusively the Provista, and I don't really put in very much Floratam because the Provista does so well even in the direct sun, which is where the Floratam had normally Floratam was where we would use Floratam in the direct sun, but the Provista actually we found is even better than the Floratam in the direct sun. So it's the highest end sod available. We are an official installer, and you can get on the schedule putting in the last bit of fertilizer. And so now it's just time to just watch grass grow, which is much more fun than watching paint dry. Thank you for checking out the video. FloridaProLawnCare.com.